Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla cruise control failing at highway ramps and the possible causes based on verified information. In certain Tesla vehicles, cruise control or traffic-aware cruise control may disengage unexpectedly when entering or exiting highway ramps, interchanges, or complex junctions. Drivers may notice cruise control canceling without a clear warning or refusing to re-engage until the vehicle returns to a straight roadway. Steering, braking, and propulsion remain operational, but the sudden loss of cruise control can require immediate driver input. This behavior does not affect all vehicles and varies by model year, region, sensor configuration, and software version rather than indicating a universal cruise control failure. Verified information shows that one documented factor involves road classification and map data interpretation. Tesla cruise control relies on navigation map data to understand whether the vehicle is on a controlled access highway, ramp, or surface road. When transitioning through ramps, merges, or split lanes, the system may reclassify the road type and disengage cruise control as a precaution. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by road design, interchange complexity, or recent software updates, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Lane geometry and sensor perception have also been reviewed. As a possible contributing factor, sharp curves, lane splits, elevation changes, or unclear lane markings on ramps can reduce system confidence, prompting cruise control to disengage, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Speed limit and contextual rules are another documented consideration. Cruise control behavior may change when entering areas with different speed limits, advisory ramp speeds, or reduced speed zones detected through map or camera data. Software safety logic further influences operation. Tesla software prioritizes safety in areas with higher complexity. When system confidence drops during ramp transitions, cruise control may disengage intentionally to return full control to the driver. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include monitoring whether disengagement occurs at the same ramps consistently, observing map and speed limit changes during transitions, and keeping software up to date. If cruise control fails on standard highway segments beyond ramps, service inspection is recommended to review system diagnostics. Reviewed information indicates that cruise control disengagement at highway ramps is not universal and often relates to road classification, map data interpretation, sensor confidence, and software safety behavior rather than a defect in the cruise control hardware. In conclusion, Tesla cruise control failures at highway ramps are generally linked to navigation context changes, lane geometry complexity, and conservative software logic designed to maintain safety. The experience varies by vehicle configuration and roadway design, and attentive driver supervision remains required. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.